Have you ever seen a watermelon grow like this inside a house? I planted it myself and took care of it every day. But what happened next shocked everyone. You won't believe what I just built in my backyard. Is it a fruit or a stove? I designed this giant banana stove from scratch. It's fully functional and cooked. You won't believe what grew inside my house. I planted a simple mango tree in my courtyard and took care of it every single day. Unbelievable, but true. Take a look at this massive serpentine banana, stretching and curving like a golden snake. Is it a freak of nature or a tropical miracle? Create something truly unique, nature's wildest wonder, or a myth come to life. Witness this massive serpentine jackfruit stretching and winding like a giant snake across the earth. You guys won't believe the setup I'm using today. Check out this incredible lion-shaped stove. It's not just a piece of art, it's actually where the magic happens.
Oh, what grows? Crimson harvest, petals turn to clay. A fox born of the vine where the juices play. Nature's secret.
You won't believe this masterpiece is actually a functional stove. I'm hand carving every detail to bring this peacock to life. If you love unique craftsmanship, hit that follow and subscribe. You won't believe what just jumped into my boat. I was just rowing, and then this happened. He didn't want my boat. He wanted me to ride with him. You're throwing away your kitchen scraps. From eggshell fertilizers to coffee ground scrubs, these 10 surprising hacks will save you money and reduce waste. Subscribe to Want glowing skin without the chemicals? Try these 3 pantry staples. First, honey and lemon to brighten instantly. Second, a turmeric and yogurt mask for that golden glow. And third, stop throwing away those cardboard boxes and fabric scraps. Let's turn this trash into a stunning, eco-friendly desk organizer. Sustainable, stylish, and zero cost. Subscribe. Stop buying chemicals. Making your own zero-waste laundry detergent is easier than you think. Mix baking soda, washing soda, and soap flakes. For a natural softener, use white vinegar. Better for your skin, your clothes, and... Stuck zipper? Don't pull it and break it. Just grab a lead pencil and rub it over the teeth. The graphite acts as a perfect lubricant. Problem solved. Follow for more easy life. Wet shoes are the worst, and they take forever to dry. Grab some old newspapers, crumple them up, and stuff them inside. The paper absorbs moisture instantly. Change them. You won't believe what's hidden under all this dirt. Wait for the shine. It's coming. There it is. Would you believe this was old junk?